Okay, ladies, do a walk around video on this 19-foot deck space trailer. It's with the tongues 5 foot, so about 24 foot total, but you got 19 foot of flat deck here. As you can see, it's got a channel tongue, angled top trailer. You walk around by, you see they wrap that tongue all the way to the front of the fenders here, so you got pretty much a double frame there. You see it's got pretty decent fender. Got a couple dings and dangs on the fender, but nothing major. The fenders are still there. It's got usable tires. You can see the tires are all usable right there. As you can see, it does have a little bit nicer set of rim than your standard old metal looking rim. I said you walk around the backside, trailer's pretty decent condition. It looks like it got some pretty pretty heavy duty. Looks like some 2x12s on the back of this thing. You can see down here at the bottom. Pretty stout trailer. It's all channeled down with carriage bolts as the wood is. You see going across the front. It does come with a set of ramps here, which has got the strap on it. You see they got some pretty, like I said, they got some 2x12s on it. It's heavier than normal as far as for your decking. The trailer's a decent old trailer. If you're looking for something with some lean, something you can haul some stuff on, it's got two 3,500-pound axles to walk on the passenger side. Like I said, nothing major damage to it. You can see the trailer itself. Like I said, this trailer's going to be about 25 foot total, 19 foot of deck space, and you got about a 5 foot tongue, so about 24 foot total with 19 foot of usable space. Only all kinds of going to find this piece. Coming Southwest Louisiana, all the time get about. Thank you.